Hello everyone and welcome to DIY D365. This video is part of my quick tip series, and in this video we will learn about how to customize FormsPro theme. We will cover two aspects: one, how to change the color; two, how to create a theme which can be very well seen by your customers or your audience. Coming up right after the intro. Alright, so I'm logged into my FormsPro. We will quickly create a new survey and name it as new theme and add a question, rating, how was it? I'm just doing that so that you can get a better visual of how it would look like once you change the theme. Okay, so that's done, and I'm pretty sure you're aware that you can add pictures from here. So let me just say theme and add this one here. So that's there. Now, at the beginning of this video, I said we will talk about two aspects. One is the color, number two is custom theme. So you can see that there is this color, and it is possible to change this. Now basically the only area you'll be able to use here is the area I'm right now moving my cursor on. So that the outer area of your survey, that's where your branding can be visible, that's where your custom theme can be visible. So that space you basically can utilize for your marketing, your brand presence, and things like that. Hence you might want to use a custom theme. Now if we look at preview, we can see that how blank this looks, and it's pretty dull, and you might want to change theme. So Microsoft has given you this option. You can click here and change the theme. You can see the current one is this. If I click here, it changes, but there is an option to upload a custom theme. But the important bit is how to create that theme. So we'll talk about that. You can either do it in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. I have used PowerPoint for this purpose, so I'll click here and you'll see this is too much of logos and icons, but I'm just trying to use the area. So all this left icons, so all FormsPro, all DIY D365 here, and all Microsoft Dynamics 365 here should be visible, along with a few of these bricks. On top, it would not be visible to you during the preview, but it would be visible to the actual recipient of the survey. So let's take a screenshot. So I'm going to just click screenshot and do this. So you have to make sure that this is the size of your survey, and you'll be able to see the size on my screen right now. So a bit here and there is fine, but not too much. So this is what you do: 1245 by 699. So click that, I'll capture it. Going back to my survey, I'll upload this theme here. So it clearly asks you customize theme. What do I want? I want a custom theme. I need to upload it from my laptop, and we have done it here and open. So it's uploading and we will see the change. All right, so as I said, we will be able to see all that, right? So it's visible to you. You're able to utilize this area, although you cannot see the top right now. But if I click on preview, you still can't. But I'm saying we will use the send survey link, and then I'll show you can see the top as well, except for this bit, which is the survey itself. You can use every other area on your screen or the web page. So that's that. Now another thing is changing the colors. So the color are required in the hex color code. So if I click here it's hex and then it's the hash. So there's this very good website which is htmlcolorcodes.com. I'll provide a link in the description, but you can go here, choose a color of your choice. So let's pick this one, and you can see the hex has changed. So you just need to copy that, come back to your Pro and copy that here, right? It doesn't look very good with this theme, so we might have to just pick this one, copy this, paste it here, and that's it. Okay, so all done. That was these were two important bits which I wanted to talk about. You can go to htmlcolorcodes.com, pick your color code from there, and with the help of PowerPoint you can create a custom theme which is visible to you right now. What we are going to do now is say send survey, and I'll copy the link and let's open it and see how it looks. So remember I said the top would be visible as well. This is the actual survey and we can see it. So you see how different it looks, although this one is not pretty. I'm sure you're thinking that, but the point is that you can make it look pretty. You can utilize your branding. You can have a lot of marketing scope here. So you can definitely utilize custom themes. So that's the whole point, and change the color of this header here because there are limited colors available. So I've provided you a website which is htmlcolorcodes.com. I'll provide the link in the description as well. That's all for this quick tip. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.